What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, all doing well, and I'm back once again with another review of Ibraheem Al Qurashi's winter collection. And here in winter collection we got two fragrances. The first one is Black Carbon Diamond and the second one is Grey Pearl Diamond. So let's find out that how these perfumes actually smells, and I'm going to tell you that if these perfumes are inspired by some famous fragrances or not, or if they are original creations. So let's start the review, and as always we will start with the presentation first. I have already reviewed Velvet Diamond collection. You can check detailed review on my channel. If you're interested, let me show you the bottles. Here you go. These two perfumes are already reviewed and it's available on my channel, sent on. Check these out if you are interested. So in this video we are going to review these two. So let's start with the presentation first. We'll get these perfumes in these big gigantic boxes because the bottles are 200 ml each. And here this is the black box. It's very simple packaging, ingredient details in the back, name of the perfume in the front, logo of Ibraheem Al Qurashi, nothing on the sides, nothing in the bottom. Simple black box. And now let me show you the other box. Here Grey Pearl Diamond comes in this kind of box. You can see the shade here. Once again, the name of the perfume, the logo, and some ingredient details in the back. And that's it. The color of this box is a mud type of color, gray mud type of color. So these are the boxes, and now let me show you the bottles, and then we will discuss about the fragrance. So here you go. You'll get these beautiful perfumes in these gigantic bottles. You can see the color of the bottles very similar to the other two bottles, and the only difference is the color and the name of the perfume. So let's start with the Black Carbon Diamond. You'll get this perfume in this gigantic bottle. You can see the finishing, this pattern on the bottle, these ridges, the white sticker with the name of the perfume in black carbon diamond, nothing in the back. We'll find the name of Ibraheem Al Qurashi on this side in English and on the other side in Arabic. And once again this plastic cap on the top, white colored round plastic cap. Not very good quality, but it's fine because the juice is stunning. So here you get this gigantic atomizer. And now let's talk about the fragrance. Let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I'm going to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So for the Black Carbon Diamond, in the top you will get bergamot. In the heart you will get rose, apple and patchouli, and in the base you will get sandalwood, musk, frankincense and oud. So this is the notes breakdown. Seems very interesting. But let me tell you that this is a very famous rose oud combo. And this perfume is very similar to Swiss Arabians Dehaner Oud Malaki. It's one of their very famous perfume. It's very old, very traditional, very famous. So this thing is almost similar. But the best part here is the blending and the quality, because Dehaner Oud Malaki is, I think, for 140 or something dirhams for a 80 ml or something. I don't remember now because I'm not using that perfume anymore. But here you will get 200 ml of juice in stunning price, and the quality blending top notch. So here you will get a mix of apple, rose and oud straight away from the beginning. It's incensey, it's woody. You will get some smoky incense, you will get some woods, pure traditional Arabic type of scent profile. And then in the dry down you will start to get that beautiful patchouli, which creates that beautiful depth in the scent profile. This perfume is not linear. This is a dynamic perfume. It's keep on changing. You will find different balances of these notes in your journey. So this was about the fragrance and about the inspiration. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. Let's talk about performance. Performance wise, this perfume is top notch. This is going to stay on your fabric or on your clothes for like 2 days, okay? Because the scent profile is very strong here. Projection, everything top notch. If you are going to spray this perfume, let's say if you start with 8 to 10 sprays, you will be good to go for the whole day. People around you will be able to smell it, and people who like these kind of oud rose based perfumes are going to compliment you. So this was about performance. It's top notch, no issue at all. Dynamic perfume. For the gender, unisex perfume leans more towards the masculine side. If we talk about the age group, this is a perfume for mature people. If you are around the age of 23 plus, you can rock it. And now let's talk about the season or weather. So definitely a cold weather scent, but it can be used in air conditioned environment. If you're living in any Arabic country, in Middle Eastern country, you can rock this perfume even in summer, because these kind of perfumes are very common here, and the local people, they love to use oud and these heavy perfumes even in the summer. They don't give a damn if it's hot or cold, you know. But for us, this is the winter scent. And now let's talk about scenario. Any scenario. If you're going in a mosque, you're going for a party, you're going in your office, anywhere except sports activities and your gyms. Don't wear it in your gyms and in your sports activities. Other than that, rock it wherever you want. Price we will discuss in the end. And now let's jump to the second one, which is Grey Pearl Diamond from Winter Collection by Ibraheem Al Qurashi. And this is the winner here. Okay, this is beautiful. This is literally wow. This is a winner. This is the king here. So let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So as per Ibraheem Al Qurashi's official website, the notes breakdown is: in the top you will get aquatic notes and berries, and then in the heart you will get jasmine, patchouli and rose, and then in the base you will get agarwood, incense and spices. So this is a notes breakdown, and now let's see that how this one smells. So this one, let me spray it, guys, and let me show you the atomizer. So here you go. This is beauty. This is beauty. Here you will get a beautiful juicy rose mixed with very juicy black currant, and then soft sweet incense. It's little bit smoky. It's not very smoky, but you will get a touch of smokiness here. And then towards the second phase, patchouli starts to kick in, it starts to shine, and it becomes more beautiful. And then towards the final dry down, you will start to get more of oud here. So in the opening you will not get a lot of oud, but in the dry down the oud starts to shine and it becomes beautiful. Once again, a very dynamic scent profile. The experience is amazing, price is unbelievable. And now let's talk about the inspiration behind this perfume. So this is a perfume which is very similar to LV Matière Noire. Matière Noire, I hope I am doing the right pronunciation. LV Matière Noire, very similar. So if you don't want to pay 1,400-500 UAE dirhams for that perfume, get this one and you will be happy. You're going to thank me later. Such a stunning perfume. It's a beauty. Dynamic perfume with different phases, blending, quality, everything top notch. And now let's talk about the other aspects. So for the performance, once again, it's rocking. All these perfumes are very long lasting. So the same story goes here. And now let's talk about gender. So this is a unisex scent which leans a little bit more towards the feminine side. But trust me guys, I loved it. The note of black currant in this perfume is really amazing. It's jammy, it's sweet, it's very juicy, and you will be loving it in the first and second phases of this perfume. If we talk about the age group, so there is no age barrier here. Anyone can use it easily, but if you are around the age of 18, 19 plus, you will be loving it. And now let's talk about scenarios. So once again, in parties, in clubbings, in pubs, in your sports activities, in your gym, this will work everywhere, in your office, in your dinners, in your lunch. Use this perfume wherever you want, whenever you want. Very versatile perfume, and you will be able to rock it in all kind of scenarios. And now let's talk about the price. So you will get these beautiful perfumes in 200 ml each quantity, and the price which I have paid for these perfumes is 199 UAE dirhams. 199. You can say 200 dirhams for these two bottles. So 100 dirham for each. But this was a combo pack. You cannot buy one. You have to buy these two. So this is their winter collection. So this was my review about these two perfumes. I hope you liked it. So I'm going to catch you in another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay free, and bye.